How to check laptop battery health. Let's start. Press Ctrl+R, type CMD and hit enter. In the command prompt, type power/battery report. Copy the file path shown and paste it into your browser. This works offline. Now, open your calculator. Divide the full charge capacity by the design capacity and multiply by 100. That is your battery health percentage. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.